Hello friends, in last lecture we have studied about cell theory and totipotency. In this lecture we are going to study of ultrastructure of prokaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells it consists of various components such as a cell envelope, cytoplasm, third one is genetic material, fourth one is plasmids, fifth one mesosomes, sixth one ribosomes, next one is chromatophores, and last one is a surface projection. The prokaryotic cells it consists of various components such as first one is a cell envelope, cytoplasm, genetic material, plasmids, mesosomes, ribosomes, chromatophores, and surface projection. We will study one by one. First one is a cell envelope. First one is a cell envelope. Cell envelope is the outermost layer of the prokaryotic cell. Cell envelope consists of three layers. Outermost layer is glycocalyx, middle layer is cell wall, and inner layer is plasma membrane, also known as biomembrane. Outermost cell envelope which consists of three layers. Outermost is a glycocalyx, middle layer is a cell wall, and inner layer is a plasma membrane. Glycocalyx, we can see here the figure of diagram of prokaryotic cells. It is the outermost layer of the prokaryotic cells. Cell envelope, and cell envelope is consists of three layers. Outermost is a glycocalyx, middle is a cell wall, and inner layer is a plasma membrane. Glycocalyx is the outermost layer of the cell envelope. It is present on either slim layer or capsule layer. Slim layer or capsule layer. Slim layer is a loose sheath and capsule layer is a tough sheath. Tough layer, tough sheath. Second, middle layers of a cell envelope is a cell wall. The bacterial cell, in case of bacterial cell wall is consist of peptidoglycan and murine. It is a form of a carbohydrate. Cell wall is consist of peptidoglycan and murine. Peptidoglycan and murine is a form of a carbohydrates. And inner layer of cell envelope is a plasma membrane. It is the inner layer of a cell envelope. It is consist of phospholipid bilayer molecules. Plasma membrane. It is a consist of phospholipid bilayer molecules. Next component of prokaryotic cell is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Semi-fluid ground substances present in prokaryotic cells is known as a cytoplasm. Semi-fluid ground substances present in prokaryotic cells. Semi-fluid ground substances. Ground substances present in prokaryotic cells is known as a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm it consists of water, enzymes, amino acids and different type of elements. Cytoplasm is consist of water, different type of enzymes, different type of amino acids, different type of elements. Nuclear membrane bound organelles is absent in cytoplasm. Nuclear membrane or nuclear membrane bound organelle is absent in cytoplasm because nucleus is not well developed. In prokaryotic cells, nucleus is not well developed. Nucleus is present, but nucleus is not well developed. That's why nuclear membrane and nuclear membrane bound organelles means cells organelles is absent. Cells organelles means nuclear membrane bound organelles is absent. Cell organelle means mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, etc. These are the cells organelles. Cells organelles is absent in a cytoplasm. Cytoplasmic fluid present in cytoplasm is known as a cytosols. Cytoplasmic fluid present in cytoplasm is known as a cytosol. Semifluids. The cytoplasmic fluid present in cytoplasm is known as a cytosols. The second component of the prokaryotic cells. Next component of the prokaryotic cells is a genetic material. Genetic material. Genetic material present in the form of nucleides means chromosomes. Genetic material present in the form of the chromosomes in cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells. The genetic materials means nucleide, single circular coiled DNA without histone proteins. The genetic material present in the form of single circular coiled DNA present without histone proteins. Histone proteins. This is a chromosomes means nucleoid regions, single circular coiled DNA without histone proteins, nuclear material, genetic material present in cytoplasm. Next component of prokaryotic cell is a plasmids. Plasmids also known as a mini chromosomes. DNA is present in plasmids. Mini chromosomes. Plasmids is also known as mini chromosomes. Mini chromosomes. The plasmids, small circular extra chromosomal self-replication DNA molecules present in cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells is known as a plasmids. Small circular extrachromosomal self-replicating DNA molecules. Self-replicating DNA molecules present in cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells is known as the plasmid. This is a plasmids. DNA present in plasmids. Plasmid means small circular extrachromosomal self-replicating DNA molecules is known as a plasmids. Next component of a prokaryotic cells is a mesosomes. Mesosomes. It is present in plasma membrane to cells in the form of vesicles, tubule and lamella is known as the mesosomes. Investigation bodies present in plasma membrane to the cells is known as the mesosomes. You can see here, this is a cytoplasm, and investigation bodies present in plasma membrane to the cells in the form of vesicles, tubules and lamella. Vesicles, tubule and lamella is known as the mesosomes. Investigation bodies present in plasma membrane to cells in the form of vesicle, tubules and lamella is known as a mesosomes. The exact function of the chromosomes means mesosomes, some till not known. It is believed that mesosomes involved in the cell wall formation, means formation of cell wall, replication of DNA. The function of the mesosomes, exact function till not known, but believed that the function of the mesosomes, it is involved in the formation of cell wall. Function of the mesosomes. It is involved in formation of cell wall and replication of DNA. Replication of DNA. There are two main functions of the mesosomes. One is the formation of cell wall and another one is the replication of DNA. Next component of the prokaryotic cell is a chromatophores. 6 component of the prokaryotic cells. Chromatophores. It is a photosynthetic pigment. It is a photosynthetic pigment present in prokaryotic cells. Means example of chromatophores is a cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria. Photosynthetic pigment present in prokaryotic cells. An example, cyanobacteria. Next component of prokaryotic cells is a ribosomes. 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 Dense particle present in cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells is known as a ribosomes. Dense particle. Dense particle present in cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells is known as a ribosomes. Ribosomes is chemically composed of RNA and proteins. ribonucleoproteins. Ribonucleoproteins means RNA and proteins. It is chemically composed of RNA and proteins. Means it is also known as a ribonucleoproteins. Ribosomes is chemically composed of RNA and proteins. In prokaryotic cells, 70S type of ribosomes present in prokaryotic cells. 70S type of ribosomes present in prokaryotic cells. 70S type of ribosomes present in prokaryotic cells. 70S ribosomes have a two subunit, smaller subunit and larger subunit. The structure of the ribosomes. Structure of the ribosomes observed under to the electron microscope appear like this. The 70S ribosomes, they have two subunits such as a smaller subunit and larger subunit. Smaller subunit is a 30S and larger subunit have a 50S. S means Svedberg. And function of the ribosomes is function of ribosomes. It is involved in protein synthesis. Ribosomes involved in protein synthesis. It is an active site of a protein synthesis. Both cells, eukaryotic cells as well as prokaryotic cells. And last component of the prokaryotic cell is a surface projection. Surface projection. Last component of prokaryotic cell is a surface projection. There are three projection-like structure present on outermost layer of the prokaryotic cell, such as a fimbriae, pili, and flagellum. The first one is a cilia, means cili. And flagellum. Flagella. It is a locomotory organ of prokaryotic cells. It is a locomotory organs of a prokaryotic cell. It is a consist of basal body and filaments and hook. It is a consist of basal body, flagellum, and hook. It is a locomotory organ. Locomotory organ means it is used for the locomotions. Next projection is pili. Pili. It is a tubular structure. It is a help in intercellular communication. Pili present in here on the outermost layer of the prokaryotic cells. It is help in intercellular communication of cells. Function of the pili is it is help intercellular communication of cell. It is help to intercellular communication of cells. And last component, last projection present on the surface of the prokaryotic cell is a fimbriae. Fimbriae presenting here. finger-like projection, thread-like projection. This is finger-like projection. This is thread-like projection present on the outermost layer of the prokaryotic cells is known as a surface projection. We see now fimbria. Fimbria means finger-like projection, and function of the fimbria help in attachment to the support. It is help to attachment and support. This attachment and support. The prokaryotic cell is consist of the various component. We have studied about this component. Bacteria better observed in stain. The Gram staining method is discovered by the Danish bacteriologist Hans Christian Gram. We are going to the study of Gram staining method. Gram staining method. Bacteria better observed in stain, and staining method, Gram staining method, discovered by Danish scientist, Danish bacteriologist Hans Christian Hans Christian Gram. The bacterial cell wall is made of two components. This is peptidoglycan and murin. The cell wall of bacteria is made from the two components such as a peptidoglycan and murin. The positive bacteria, the cell wall of positive bacteria is made from the peptidoglycan. The cell wall made from the peptidoglycan in positive bacteria. The cell wall is made from the peptidoglycan in positive bacteria. The cell wall is made from murin in negative bacteria. Gram positive bacteria retain Gram stain after wash in alcohol. Gram positive bacteria retain Gram stain after washed in alcohol, and negative bacteria lost their stain after wash in alcohol. On the basis of the Gram staining method, there are two types of bacteria: Gram positive bacteria and Gram negative bacteria. Gram positive bacteria, first one is Gram positive bacteria. Gram positive bacteria return their stain, means their color, return their stain after wash in alcohol. This bacteria is known as a Gram positive bacteria, and second type one is a Gram negative bacteria. Gram negative bacteria lost their stain after washed in alcohol. This type of bacteria is known as a gram-negative bacteria. Friends, in this lecture we have studied about ultrastructure of prokaryotic cells. Thank you.